Gates open. They're up and racing. Mega Drive Azucarera de Mama moving up together with amazing act. Socialeros comes next. Then comes Hot Gossip. Gold Spear moving up Mega Drive followed by Doomstead by the rail dancing slew and without warning is in behind them about to pass the 3/4 mile distance. Azucarera de Mama by about half length. Running in second on the outside, amazing act down in third. Socialeros moving up east. Gold Spear together with Mega Drive. Then comes Doomstead. Hot Gossip followed by Dancing Slew and without warning is running at the back of the pack. About to pass the last 800. Azucarera de Mama throwing a challenge on the outside is amazing act and closing into this Mega Drive. Gold Spear, then comes Socialeros, Doomstead, Dancing Slew, Hot Gossip now second last and without warning is still bringing up the rear, heading towards the last 450. Now we have Mega Drive takes command over Amazing Act in second. Azucarera de Mama drops back into the moving up is Gold Spear as they turn for home. Mega Drive this time by about 3 lengths. Amazing Act remains in second, moving a party outside. Gold Spear dancing slow and Azucarera de Mama. Socialeros is by the rail with the last 150 more to run. 9A Mega Drive this time by about 8 lengths over Gold Spear and dancing slow and finally 9A Mega Drive. Second close between Dancing Slew and Gold Spear. Then comes number 8, Doomstead, Azucarera de Mama, Amazing Act, Hot Gossip, Socialeros, and Without Warning.